In this video, we will present the daily check procedure for the Industrial Scientific Ventis Pro4. To turn on the Ventis Pro4, press and hold the power button until the meter displays Industrial Scientific. It will then emit audio, visual, and vibrational alarms. The unit will then automatically display bump test before use. Hit the enter button to acknowledge. The meter will now boot up. Next, it will display the time and date. This is the software version currently installed on the meter. The meter will display days since or until calibration is required. In this case, it shows days since. The meter will then display each sensor individually. It will show both upper and lower alarm limits and short and long-term threshold values. When the meter is finished booting up, it will emit a two-tone beep and show the normal operating screen. There should be a check mark in the upper left-hand corner to show that it is functioning correctly. If there's an exclamation point in its place, take the unit out of service. The battery level will be displayed in the upper right corner. This display will cycle through battery level, time, and ambient temperature. The meter is now ready to zero. Take the unit to fresh air and press the power button twice to get to the zero screen. Once on the zero screen, press the enter button. When zeroing is complete and successful, the meter will beep and display 4 check marks. It will then return to the normal operating screen. Next, we will bump test the meter. Press the power button until the bump test screen appears. It will show the bump test symbol, which is a bottle with a B in it. Connect the hood to the meter and ensure it's on firmly before pushing the enter button. The unit will alternate between the bump gas symbol with the word apply and the normal operating screen. There are 2 styles of bump gas for this meter. The aerosol can on the right is the same gas we use for the MX4. The newer style on the left is high pressure. Turn the knob and check the pressure before spraying. Make sure you turn the knob to the off position when finished. With both types, you'll need to give a 3-second blast into the tube. The meter should display gas levels and then go into first and second stage alarm. If the meter passes the bump test, it will display check marks for all 4 sensors. If any sensor fails, ensure the hood is on snugly. Repeat the bump test, but spray a little longer this time. Once you have 4 check marks, remove the hood to allow the gas to dissipate and the readings to return to normal. Once the readings are back to normal, scroll to the peak screen with the power button. Look for the mountain peak icon at the top of the screen. Once there, the peaks can be cleared by pressing the enter button. Use the power button to scroll back to the normal operating screen. The meter is now ready to be used. To turn off the meter, hold down the power button. The meter will beep and will display a countdown from 5 and will say hold. You may release the button after the countdown ends and hold disappears. You know what time it is. Let's grab that meter and go practice. Thanks very much for watching.